How do we begin to manage anxiety? The first thing I'm going to tell you to do is to calm down. There's so much activity and traffic in your brain that you need to take a chill pill. Chill. That's always the first thing to do. The second most important thing to do is to allow the clarity that you have now to guide your daily actions. And one of the things that you will need to do, especially in a new life situation, is to create a routine. A routine will help you understand what you're doing, and then it would help you understand how you're progressing. It is also important to take care of your body. Exercise regularly. It is important that you rest well by sleeping for very good hours. Also practice imagination and affirmation. Lastly, you have to practice gratitude. And if you can't do all of these or any of these yourself, please seek support.